In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off location in Chrome. If you want to stop websites from accessing your location while you browse, Chrome makes it fairly simple to change that setting. This can be useful if you want more privacy, fewer permission pop-ups, or just more control over what websites can access on your device. To get started, open the Chrome app. Once Chrome is on screen, look for the three dots next to the address bar. Tap those three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where Chrome keeps most of its browser preferences, including privacy-related options. After you're in Settings, go to the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles your browsing data, website permissions, and other security features. If you're not used to changing browser settings, don't worry, everything you need is grouped together here. Next, click on Site Settings. This area is specifically for permissions that websites may request, such as access to your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Since location access is managed on a per permission basis, this is the right place to make the change. Now scroll down until you reach the permissions section and then click Location. This opens Chrome's location permission settings, where you can decide whether websites are allowed to request your location or not. To completely disable location access in Chrome, select Don't allow sites to see your location. Once you choose this option, websites will no longer be able to ask for or use your location through Chrome. That means you won't receive location prompts from sites, and Chrome will block that type of access automatically. Keep in mind that some websites may rely on location services to provide local results, maps, nearby store information, or region-specific content. If you turn location off, those features may be less accurate or may require you to enter your location manually instead. That's normal, and it's simply the trade-off for increased privacy. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location in Chrome. If you ever want to change it back later, you can return to the same location settings page and adjust the permission again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Chrome privacy settings more confidently.